Big data is a term used to describe extremely large data sets. Analytics is the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns within data. A business is only as strong as the decisions made by its leaders. The nature of business has therefore traditionally demanded business sense, which in reality boils down to intuition based on past experience. But technology is now changing so rapidly that models and strategies that worked brilliantly only a few years ago may be completely obsolete tomorrow. Business and industry may not know a shift has occurred until after products hit the market, the definition of too late. Lack of information or poor analysis leads to bad decision-making, wastes of time and resources, safety concerns, sluggish maintenance of systems, and poor staff utilization. Even the most critical information is useless if it goes uncollected or is improperly analyzed. Many companies cling to outmoded models of information gathering, while the sheer amount of data that flows back to even technologically savvy businesses can be overwhelming, leading to paralysis and a failure to adapt to changing circumstances. The use of analytics to mine big data for information is a classic example of the principle, work smarter, not harder. Big data analytics leads to more intelligent business moves, more effective operations, higher profits, and increased customer satisfaction. It can be used to predict future events, foresee risks, reduce the reliance on intuition by making decisions data-driven, and offer continuous rather than periodic improvement to systems and processes via constant feedback. It can identify new markets, expand into niche or micro-markets, tap into new customer bases, foster customer intimacy, and improve profit margins by reducing waste and increasing productivity. Our technological landscape is changing. Advanced Manufacturing Technology, AMT, is an industrial evolution that will help companies prioritize long-term business goals over low-risk short-term returns and succeed in today's smart manufacturing environment. Reach out to Mantech for expert knowledge of AMT and assistance with technology implementation.